Hi everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm going to create a spread for my Life Crafted album using the February 2020 Citrus Twist Kits Possibilities Kit. So I've already got two of the papers from the kit which I've trimmed down to size to fit inside two full-size page protectors. So they're the two papers I want to use for my background. So with this colour, I thought I would just choose one other colour to contrast nicely with that colour. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this really pretty orangey gold colour. So what I've done is just collected a few things from the kit that do have that colour in them. And I want to use the gorgeous puffy stars from the kit as well. So you can see there's a few in those colours. So I've also got my photo there ready to go. I'm going to use this highlight stamp from the Possibilities stamp set. So I've got that one there. My journaling has been printed out using my computer, so that's ready to go. All I need to do is trim that one down. So I think I'll make a start on this and show you how I'm going to put this one together. Okay, so to start off with, I'm just going to add my photo to that minty teal coloured paper, and then I can go ahead and add the journaling to that lined page as well. So I'm just roughly lining them up together there. And now I'm going to grab my sewing machine and add stitching to both of these pages. So for the first page, I've added a border and I've gone across the top and bottom of the journaling, and I've added a messy patch of stitching at the top left of the photo and a border around that page as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some die cuts to the pages. So I've got that Stay Cool piece that I've just added to the photo there. And I've got this other orange die cut, just looking for another word here that says yeah in the same colours. And I've also got this black piece that I want to add across the bottom of that circle, so just straightening that up a little bit. I'm going to add some foam tape behind that one just to add a little bit of dimension. I don't mind a little bit of dimension in my pages. I actually love the look of it. So I know some people like to keep their pages quite flat, but I don't mind having a little bit of dimension there. Alright, so that's on. I'm now going to stamp this orange label with the highlight word from the Possibilities stamp set. So this particular spread is about Maddie opening her presents on her birthday morning, so it was definitely a highlight of her day. So that's going above the journaling there, and now I can add these other two die cuts underneath. I've decided to add some foam dots behind that orange die cut piece there, and the yeah word I'm just going to stick directly onto the page. And very shortly I'm going to grab my sewing machine and stitch across that word and across the top of that Stay Cool circular die cut piece as well. So that is done. You can see the stitching there on both of those, and then I realized I hadn't stitched across the highlight label, so I'm just doing that one now. So to finish off this spread, all I need to do now is add these cute puffy stars. So I end up adding 4 stars to this spread. I know people usually do it in 3s, but I couldn't resist adding another one at the top of that first page there. Alright, so I did notice there was a couple of little bits left inside the points of the stars, so I just used my scissors to dig those ones out. And now I can give you a closer look at how these pages have turned out. You can see all the stitch detail there and those cute puffy stars. So let me know if you've got any questions on anything to do with this spread today. I'll leave a link down below to Citrus Twist Kits, and I'll be back again really soon to share another project with you. So thanks again for joining me today. I'll see you again soon. Have a great day.